Whether as a player, a coach, or a commentator, गौतम गंभीर has always been in the news. Of course, उन्हें अपने करियर में सक्सेस बहुत मिली है, लेकिन सक्सेस के साथ साथ एक ऐसी चीज है जिसने गौतम गंभीर का हमेशा साथ दिया, और वो है controversies. Gautam Gambhir has always been in the spotlight for his controversies involving his own teammates, his opponents, and also sometimes the crowd, the audience. The year was 2008. India was playing against Australia, and Gautam Gambhir, as usual, looked in top form. In fact, he scored a 200 in this game. In Shane Watson's over, Gautam Gambhir was on strike, and he attempted to run for a double. And during that, his elbow bumped into Shane Watson. इस वजह से Shane Watson बहुत गुस्सा हो गए. हालांकि गंभीर ने कहा था that this was just an accident. It was not intentional. But इंडियन कोच गैरी कर्स्टन ने उन्हें एडवाइस दी कि अगर वो अपनी गलती मान ले तो मैच रेफरी उन्हें एक वार्निंग देके जाने देंगे, उन पे कोई बैन नहीं लगेगा. Unfortunately, the match referee thought that this was a violation of the ICC code of conduct और गौतम गंभीर पे एक मैच का बैन भी लग गया. इनफैक्ट ऐसा एक बार पहले भी हो चुका था. The year was 2007 and India was playing against Pakistan. गौतम गंभीर in an attempt to run a single बॉलिंग कर रहे शाहिद अफरीदी के साथ टकरा गए और दोनों के बीच में ऑन फील्ड एक आर्गुमेंट हो गई. गौतम गंभीर को ऐसा लगा कि शाहिद अफरीदी जानबूझ के पिच के बीच में खड़े रहे एंड शाहिद अफरीदी thought that गौतम गंभीर hit him intentionally. हालांकि ये एक एक्सीडेंट था, but both their behaviors were breach of the code of conduct. Gautam Gambhir had to pay a fine of 65% of his match fee, while on the other hand, Shahid Afridi had to pay 95% of his match fee as fine. हालांकि ये तो हुई ओपोनेंट्स की बात, लेकिन गौतम गंभीर के अपने खुद के टीममेट्स के साथ भी रिलेशनशिप्स बहुत स्मूथ नहीं रहे. As every Indian cricket fan would know, the story of Virat Kohli and Gautam Gambhir is a tale as old as time. विराट कोहली और गौतम गंभीर का रिश्ता बहुत पुराना है. आपको विराट कोहली की मेडन सेंचुरी तो याद ही होगी. गौतम गंभीर ने उस मैच में 150 रन्स बनाए थे, बट वॉलंटरीली उन्होंने अपना मैन ऑफ द मैच अवार्ड विराट कोहली के नाम कर दिया, जस्ट बिकॉज इट वॉज हिज फर्स्ट सेंचुरी इन 2009. लेकिन सिर्फ 4 साल बाद वो आईपीएल का केकेआर और आरसीबी का मैच इन 2013 वेयर विराट कोहली की विकेट के बाद गौतम गंभीर और विराट कोहली के बीच में ऑन ग्राउंड बहस हो गई और बाकी के प्लेयर्स को इंटरवीन करना पड़ा जस्ट टू मेक श्योर दैट थिंग्स डोंट एस्केलेट बियॉन्ड द कंट्रोल. एंड द स्टोरी जस्ट केप्ट गोइंग ऑन. In 2016, in an IPL match, Virat Kohli was already inside the crease, but Gautam Gambhir still threw the ball at his end. The match officials were not so happy with this incident, and they also gave a warning to Gautam Gambhir for his behavior. Most recently, in 2023, Gautam Gambhir was the coach of Lucknow Super Giants. After the match between LSG and RCB, there was a verbal fight between Naveen ul Haq and Virat Kohli. Gautam Gambhir को ये पसंद नहीं आया. He also went up to Virat Kohli और उन दोनों के बीच में बहस शुरू हो गई. इस बहस की सबसे बड़ी वजह ये थी कि पिछली मैच में जहां एलएसजी और आरसीबी खेल रहे थे चिन्नस्वामी स्टेडियम बैंगलोर में, एलएसजी की विक्ट्री के बाद गौतम गंभीर ने पूरे क्राउड को चुप होने का इशारा किया था. शायद इसी वजह से उस दिन विराट कोहली और गौतम गंभीर के बीच में बहस भी छिड़ गई थी. आफ्टर दिस कंट्रोवर्सी, गौतम गंभीर ने एक स्टेटमेंट दिया कि अगर कोई मेरे प्लेयर्स को डिसरिस्पेक्ट करेगा तो वो मैं बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकूंगा. And in response, Virat Kohli also said that if you can give it, you've got to take it back. If you can't take it back, don't give it. Now, most of us thought that this was the end of a controversy. But who would realize that this would result in another controversy? After the LSG versus RCB match, Gautam Gambhir किसी भी स्टेडियम में जाते तो पूरा क्राउड उन्हें देखकर कोहली कोहली के नारे लगाता. Let me give you one such example. In the Asia Cup match of India versus Nepal, Gautam Gambhir was part of the broadcasting team. वो जैसे ही स्टेडियम में आए, the crowd started chanting Kohli, Kohli, Kohli. And Gautam Gambhir, out of his irritation, showed the crowd his This was caught on camera and the moment became viral very soon. Due to this incident, Gautam Gambhir was subjected to a lot of criticism because his fans believed that this kind of a behavior was not befitting for a legendary cricketer like Gautam Gambhir. ये तो हुई 1-to-1 controversies की बात, लेकिन गौतम गंभीर के इंटरव्यू आंसर्स भी कई बार कंट्रोवर्सी क्रिएट कर जाते हैं. Let's take a look at a few of them. Many of his statements are concerned about Virat Kohli, of course. For example, Kohli does well as a captain only because he has MS Dhoni and Rohit Sharma. If you are talking about Kohli the captain, he would have won RCB the IPL title since he has taken over the captaincy there. His comments about the relationship between Virat Kohli and RCB go even further. Virat Kohli should thank Royal Challengers Bangalore for continuing him as the captain of RCB. Because not many captains have got such a long run where they haven't won any tournament. And I want to end with one of the most sarcastic remarks of Gautam Gambhir. Of course, I'm talking about his comment on MS Dhoni's role in the 2011 ODI World Cup victory. Gambhir is often observed criticizing the Indian media for amplifying the role of Mahendra Singh Dhoni in the victory of 2011 ODI World Cup. His statement, 1-6 did not win us the World Cup, still makes its rounds in the circles of cricket journalism. Even while doing commentary, Gautam Gambhir would often add a sly, sarcastic remark that in our country there is one rule, जो आखिरी रन बनाता है, वही जिताता है. After so many controversies, we all still wanted him to become the coach of the Indian cricket team because we remember what he did for our country. He scored 20 centuries in his international career, but I am sure that all of us would always keep going back to that 97-run inning in the 2011 World Cup that made us world champions after 28 years. Even in our first T20 World Cup final, under immense pressure, he scored the highest 75 runs against Pakistan. There are also many other achievements that have earned him the kind of respect that he deserves. For example, leading KKR to 2 IPL trophies as a player and 1 IPL trophy as a coach. Gautam Gambhir has always been very vocal about his thoughts. Many times fans might not like him, but he doesn't care. He is fearless. Even Ashwin once said that Gautam Gambhir is a very misunderstood person. It's all about perception. He is a fighter. But at the end of it all, we know the kind of legendary stature that Gautam Gambhir has as a player. We know the kind of contributions he made to the Indian cricket team during his tenure. And now, as a coach, we are assured that the future of the Indian cricket team is in very competent hands. What do you think about Gautam Gambhir as a player and as a coach? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.